Mark Twain is not just the name of a riverboat or a great American author. It also means the water here is 2 fathoms deep. That means it's safe for us to proceed on our steam-powered journey through the rivers of America. On our trip, we'll visit the magnificent Columbia of the Great Northwest, the graceful Missouri of the windswept plains, and the rugged Rio Grande along the border of Texas and Mexico. I'll be sure to point out interesting sights along the way, and even tell you about a legend or two. We begin our trip right here on the mighty Mississippi, heading south and ending down in New Orleans. One of those stories involves the old mansion you see over there on the hill. I've heard it said that the place is haunted, filled with 999 ghosts, ghouls, and goblins. And they're looking for one more to make it an even thousand. If you're brave enough, you should see for yourself after you arrive back at the We're now passing Powers Harbor. This is home port for the 3-masted windjammers, the Columbia, the first American ship to circumnavigate the globe. Here's a bit of history for you. The Columbia set sail from Boston Harbor in 1787. She grounded Cape Horn and became the first American ship to carry the Stars and Stripes around the world. The most famous landmark in this area is Splash Mountain, named for the fact that everyone seems to have a splashing good time when they visit. Splash Mountain is part of Critter Country, a remote wilderness, tall, rustic buildings, and one of those wild tales we often hear along the way. The story is that the birds and animals that live here may talk, sing, and dance. Just another time. You might want to grab a paddle and try your hand at the Explorer canoes. You can work up a real good sweat rolling one nose around the river. Me, I'll take the cruise of the Mark Twain Riverboat any day. cascading waterfalls, the moose, deer, and along the banks. It's all so magnificent, so peaceful. To the side of the bird is an angel. And I do believe he's giving us a sign of peace. That means we're all clear as we head up in the to the home of the Plains Indians. Sharing a story of these our woodpecker taught a young fly to take a hollowed out pipe and turn it into the most longest of instruments of history. It's a legend the learners have passed down generation to generation. We might catch a glimpse of moose, mountain, and other monsters.
Daddy, you know that train.
Pirates Tom Sawyer Island. Young Tom always said he wanted to be a pirate, and I think I said, if you're a pirate, you don't need to get up early and go to school, and you never have to wash your face and hands. All you have to do is just look for treasure. At least that's what Tom Sawyer thought. Heading back to civilization along the Rio Grande. Off in the distance, towering buttes of Big Thunder Mountain. Where the railroad built on the road out of the mountain has been seized by supernatural forces, and they've taken many trains into the wildest ride in the of the river. Just ahead is the where the journey ends. On behalf of our entire group, I'd like to thank you for booking Twain Riverboat. At this time, we ask that you prepare to disembark. If you're on one of the upper decks, make your way down to the first deck. The stairways to the side in the back of the boat are easy to find. We hope you enjoyed your experience and that you'll visit us again very soon.